My name's Bree, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a little tutorial on Canva, which is an online visualization creation website. So to begin, you're just going to want to start by opening a search engine. For the purpose of this video, I'm using Safari, but Chrome will work as well. Once you type in Canva into your search bar, you're just going to click on the first link. Now we're on the Canva website. As you can see, the top right hand corner gives you options to sign up or log in. If you scroll down, you can see the pricing plans. There's Canva Basic and Canva Pro. Personally, I have Canva Basic. I feel like it's great. It's got a bunch of different templates to choose from, all for free. But Canva Pro, as you can see here, offers a bunch more for $9.95 a month. There is a 30-day free trial. If you do that, just be sure to cancel it before that 30 days or else you will be charged. So most of you will just have to click the sign up button right here. You could use Google, Facebook, or just any other email. I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in. But the signing up process shouldn't be too difficult. I'm pretty sure it just asks for a username and password. You may have to provide an email, but it should be pretty self-explanatory. Once you create an account, this is what the home page is going to look like. As you can see in the left-hand side of the screen, you've got all of your little navigation tools right here. Templates. This is all the different things that you can make with Canva. Right now we're just hovering over it, but I'm actually going to click on it for you guys so that way you can see. They have their little categories right here, just like a shortcut window, or you can scroll down and look. So you can actually do a lot with this website. It's not just for school or like business purposes. You could also use it for your social media. And now I'm going to show you guys how to actually create a design. So I'm sure, as you guessed, right here in the top right hand corner, there's this create a design button. You could click here and it kind of brings down a little shortcut menu, so you just decide which you want to make. Or you could literally just choose from any of the templates here and start working, but I'm going to show you guys this way. And we're going to be making a poster. So once again, all your templates are here. There's a bunch of things to choose from. You can search if you want something specific. And when you hover over things, this little free icon shows up to let you know that you can use it for free. If nothing shows up, then you can still use it for free. There will be some items that when you hover over them, it'll have like a crown that says Pro in the bottom right hand corner. That lets you know that you have to be a Canva Pro member. But some of them say like you could pay $1 and still use it, so that's entirely up to you. But like I said, I just have the basic version, so I'll just be showing you what you can do for free. Over here on the left hand side, once again, this is like your little navigation toolbar. You could add photos, different elements, so they have shapes, stickers, charts. We're going to be using this a lot for our class, and that's what I'll be showing you guys today. And yeah, a lot of these things are free, as you can see. This is where you go when you want to add text. You could add videos, change the background, all that good stuff. So I'm going to come back up here to templates, and I already have a little idea in mind of what I want to show you guys. So I'm going to use this one. Let's wait for it to load. There we go. Alright, so I'm just going to drag their little text box that they have with everything off the screen and to the trash. Sorry, my laptop's lagging a little bit. I'm gonna drag this to the trash as well. Okay, perfect. Now we have a clean slate. Like I said, I want to show you guys the charts elements because that's what we're going to be using for our projects if you guys decide to use Canva. So I'm going to come over here to charts and click on see all. Now, I'm just going to show you guys with the basic bar graph, but I'm going to scroll down and let you get a look at what else they have to offer. Here's an example of what I was talking about. So for example, this chart right here, you need to be a Canva Pro member or you can pay $1 to use it. But a lot of these things are free, so yeah. Now I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to show you guys with this bar chart. So when I clicked on it, the table automatically showed up over here. This side is going to be representing our x-axis and this side is going to be representing our y-axis. So I'm just going to show you guys how to create a table or create a bar chart using this table. Excuse me. So in my example, I'm going to be discussing rainfall. So I'm putting the days of the week on the x-axis. And when you click on that last box, it just auto-populates another one right below. All right, and this is where we're gonna enter our data. So let's say for Monday we had 2 inches of rainfall. Tuesday we could have 3 inches. Wednesday it doesn't rain. Thursday it doesn't rain. Friday 1.5. Saturday we could have 2 inches again, and Sunday, let's say it rained, there was only 1 inch of rain. I'm just making these values up, but obviously for the purposes of our class, the data is already provided for us, so this is just where you guys would go to enter that. So now that we have our little graph, I'm going to center it. They have these really neat center lines to kind of help you out. Now, say you want to change the font or size of the days of the week or the numbers, you just come over here. You could change the font. You could change the font size. You could even change the color of the bars. I'm gonna leave it alone, but that's all up to you guys. You could bold it or italicize it if necessary. We're definitely gonna need to label our X and Y axis, so when you wanna add text, you just come over here to the text. And you could really choose any of these because obviously once you select it, then you have the options to change the font size and all that good stuff. I usually just click on add a subheading though. And we're gonna label our axes. So for the x-axis, we're just gonna label that days of the week. And I'll make everything match. So I believe we made that 42 and we changed it to this font. I'm gonna use the little dragger tool to drag it down here, center it, perfect. And then we're gonna add another subheading for our y-axis, and that's gonna be labeled rainfall. And it's in inches. So we're gonna use this rotate tool. You just hover over it, hold your mouse down and drag. I'm gonna rotate this 90 degrees and we're gonna move it right there. And I'm just gonna make everything match. So 42 and changing the font here. Perfect. You could also add a title if you would like, but I'm not going to show you guys that because I'm pretty sure you get the gist now. I'll add another subheading though for the name. Our class. And for the date. Yeah, I'm just gonna drag this to the upper left-hand corner, shrink it down some. Perfect. You could change that font and the size and all that if you would like, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just gonna stop here. If you guys wanna add anything extra, like a picture, or you wanna spice it up and put some stickers on there or anything else, of course you can. But like I said, I'm just gonna stop right here for now in terms of the decorating process. But I hope you guys pretty much got the gist of that. So now I'm gonna show you how to download your projects once they're finished. You're just gonna come over here and click this little download icon. So you can choose like the file type that you want. I'll click on it just to show you guys the options. So you could choose to download it as like a JPEG, a PDF, PDF print. If it was a video, that's what that MP4 is there for. But I'm just gonna leave it on the PDF print. I tend to just leave it where it already is. I don't like to change it, but if you want it in a different format, you could always do that. And then you're just gonna click download. And as you can see, now it downloaded onto my computer. So I have it here. It's going to be in your downloads file. And once you have it in your downloads file, you can basically do with it as you please. So if you want to open this up into a Google Doc or a Word doc, you could simply just drag it over. If you need to submit it to Canvas, then you would just go onto the Canvas website and click the submit assignment button, and then it would pull up all your downloads and all that, and you would just search for it there.